Are you someone who loves sweets but always conscious about those extra calories? Here I've got one recipe. This is sugar-free atta and milk powder burfi, which you can have while weight management and also binge over while festivals. All that you need is 200 gram of milk powder, then 100 grams of jaggery powder, few sugar-free choco chips, then you need 50 grams of ghee, 50 grams of whole wheat atta, almond powder which I just grind it, and then you need few, you can say, elaichi. Let's get started. Take a pan and then heat it. Now add jaggery powder, and then we will add 2 spoons of, let's say, water in it so that it can just gives us the consistency. Also, we'll have to heat this up or mix this up until we get the string of jaggery so that we get to know it is all mixed well. Mix it nicely. There should not be any lumps. Now add milk powder. Mix it well. 50 grams of atta also we will add in this only. And now we'll mix all these together. Yeah, take 50 grams of ghee or how much you need. If you want, you can take less than, but since the powder is more, I have taken so much of ghee. Whatever the ghee would be left out, we are going to remove it later. Now we will take elaichi, which will grind it and make a powder, and also the almond powder. We will mix it in the mixture. Mix it well. Yeah, you can see it is all brown and it is cooked nicely. Now mix it again. It should be really mixed well and the flame should be low, and it has to give you the brown consistency. Once that is being done, now we will take a pan, or you can say any box wherein you just have to put the burfi in. Now we have to grease the pan with ghee. Whatever the mixture we had for mithai, we are going to put it in this box and set it well. Can you see it is taking just less time and you can prepare this. And now I am just settling this in so that it will just give you a burfi shape once you demold this. Once this is set, yeah, we'll put those sugar-free choco chips just for the decoration, or you can say garnishing. If you want, you can just skip this step. Yeah. Now we'll place the lid out here and we'll put it in the fridge to set for you can say good 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour would be good. So I have got this out of my fridge and make a cut so that we can give a burfi shape. So just cut this off. You can see how good it looks. It's really yummy, guys, trust me. And it is really quick recipe which you can definitely try. Hope you guys like this quick sweet dish recipe which you can try during festival. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. Thank you.